Hi! In front of me is ZTE Blade A53 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once on this device. First of all, go into Photos app and hold one of your pictures that you wish to get rid of. In my case, this one. Now, to select multiple ones from this section right away, click on this button at the top left corner. As you can see, after that, all of my photos from this section were successfully selected. Now, in order to delete them, click on this bin next to shopping cart at the top right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-ups. Then wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!